Heyo! So here's what's going on today. Gabe is on vacation. So I'm all by myself, spraying the car by myself, picking the color by myself. Here's what I've got in mind. I wanted to start with a gunmetal gray base, mainly because it's an underutilized color. I don't remember the last time we used gunmetal gray, and I think it looks pretty awesome. It's deep, it's dark, it's aggressive. Now what's going on top of that gunmetal gray? A little pearl I like to call olive honey. This is a weird one, mainly because I don't really know what it necessarily looks like. We've used it a couple times in the past, but over weird base coats like yellow, for example, and that doesn't really show what this pearl's like. Let me show you a little something here. It's like kind of green, kind of yellow, kind of gold, hence the name olive honey. So we're gonna be doing glossy dip pearl top coat because we want that clarity and that sheen. And then the key here, the magic, the make or break, if you will, is gonna be the pigment load. If I use too much pigment, this is going to be a disaster. I don't want to completely cover the gunmetal gray. I don't want to worry about clouding and all sorts of problems. So I'm thinking 25 grams per 2 gallons, which would be 12.5 grams per gallon. That should give me just enough color to give me some awesome effects and hues and highlights over the gray without completely suffocating the gray underneath. If I'm wrong, we'll find out very quickly because the first coat will tell that whole story. So here's the olive honey. It's a gorgeous pearl. It really is. It's almost, I'm like a bit colorblind. I don't know if you guys know that or not. So I have trouble with like dark blues and purples and greens and certain yellows and stuff. So this, it could be green, it could be gold. I really don't know. But let me quickly grab something. That's how you know Gabe's not here. No stick of truth. Let me show you what this pearl looks like over black. You see what I mean? It's like, it's kind of gold, kind of green. I think this is gonna look awesome. So, olive honey over gunmetal gray, let's go. All right, guys, I'm all done with the project. Now, I will be honest. I did not orchestrate this project to look good. I just wanted to use olive honey because it's a weird pearl. It's rarely ever used. You never know if it's going to look green or gold. It's very sensitive to different base colors. And gunmetal gray hadn't been used in a long time. So I'm like, this could be a cool combo. I freaking love this color. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you guys are going to like it or not. I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments below. I could not be happier with the way this came out. It's just one of those random combos that when I got it out in the sun, I was like, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna take it outside right now and you let me know what you think. Take a look at this car in this color. Rate this combo in the comment section below 1 through 5. 1, you're not feeling it at all. 5, you love it just like I do. If you wanna dip your own car, tons of colors and kits to choose from. Click right up here. We have everything to help you dip your emblems, your wheels, and your whole car. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I love doing this project. I'll see you on the next video.